So for those that are following along with me on everything that I do in my garden this year, I just want to keep you guys ahead of what I do so you can get your supplies and everything needed. If you're going to do this with me, I will try to show you step by step everything I do to start seeds in my garden, what the right timing is for that, and how to transplant outdoors, fertilizer, composting, everything that I do. I'll be documenting for you, and I can answer your questions along the way. So I just want to give you a heads up. The first thing that I start inside are onions. So I got my onions from migardener.com, and the other bag there I saved onions myself. But I do use this gardening journal. This is my favorite gardening journal that I got from Amazon. I did a video on this already in the past, so you can look at that. But I do document everything that I do. So I am in Northwest Ohio, so it's about zone 6. So this gives you pages for 20 to 15 weeks before your average frost date, and I have them written down in here, dates in my area, and I can show you in other videos how to figure out your correct dates. And I've adjusted them along the way, you can see. Just from personal experience, I've made adjustments to what works the best for my area. But it tells you what kind of crops you should be starting at this time period from December 27th to January 30th. So any time in between that time are the times that you can start some of these plants. So what I do is each year, I've used this for 3 years now, I mark down when I sowed my onions inside. So in 2020, I started those on February 1st. And then I started them the next year on February 2nd. And I said, when do they sprout? And in 2022, I started them on February 12th. So I did keep kind of backtracking that date for what worked best for me. So you can count on probably the first week of February that I will be starting my onion seeds. So I can show you exactly how I do that inside. And it's pretty easy. But if you're interested in starting onions, follow along with me and get your onions ready.